straight away.
Let's go. Let's go.
Can you make me host? Good morning, good morning. Welcome again. It's the 29th of March. Trading GJ and gold again. What we can get. What do you want to say, Prab?
So it's dropping like we said it will.
Yeah, 100%. You make me a host.
Yes, sorry. There you go.
Oh, see some people already got in. Very nice. I'm waiting for a close below this zone. Come down further down.
Show your screen.
Yes. Let me invite everyone. There we go. So let's get.
Yeah, makes sense.
Let's get that camera on, you know.
Yes, there it is. Good old Nick.
Oh shit. Let me do that real quick. Get all participants up on entry. There we go. Oh man, this fucked up. 1 second, guys, in the YouTube. Good morning, welcome. There we are. Damn. There we go. Welcome, guys. Welcome.
Hey, good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Guys.
How are you, man?
Good.
Nice.
Be back.
You guys placed a trade already? No, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for this 15-minute, maybe to close below. We could already possibly take a sell, but stop loss wise, I don't know if it would be best position. Yeah, that move was very, very good. Very nice move. Remove all these arrows.
Yeah, I think if this was Frankfurt Open, I would have taken the break of this, but
Yeah.
not now.
Yeah, I saw it happening too. Good morning, man.
Morning.
How are you?
Yeah, I felt good, and you?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty indecisive on the high time frames. That's why I didn't take it, because at the top it did show the nice resistance, but at the bottom where it broke out, it was still for me a daily level, important daily level, and it could have held supports. And yeah,
Look at that
personally,
opening
I was
gap.
looking for buys, honestly, at that level. But once it broke the 30-minute range, then it was clear for.
Yeah. See.
I think the next best thing we could do is just wait for the retest.
Yeah, could do.
Yeah, continuation down, I think, today.
Depends.
Maybe to the monthly resistance. I've got one monthly resistance around 152.28, around 200, 150, 200.
Yeah. see. Not the biggest fan of this 15. It should close strongly below. And if it closes above, there is nothing. This is a extremely weird candle as well. No wicks on both sides. Indecisive. Yo, morning, Nick. Hold up. Go.
Nick, if you're able to, if your mic works, could you just go through the trade that you just taken, just to do it for my guest for everybody, if you don't
The
mind.
YouTube thing in the chat. Yo, what's up, Frank? Good morning, man.
Yeah, chans are out.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Morning.
She work now. Yes.
I think my room is. Hey, morning. Trading buy, die, right?
Yeah, man, I'll sort that out in a minute.
Yeah, I think my room is still a little too dark for to turn on my camera.
Oh yeah. Open your windows.
Right. Yeah, I gotta open my windows. Yeah, it's a little dark, but I'll open my window.
Oh damn. Why doesn't it open different? Different. Times. Yeah. Then.
Right, should be good.
Welcome, welcome. Good morning. That's but the analysis is pretty much same as yesterday. Only it worked out. It touched all the levels. So yeah. Let's see what we do. If we come back up and we break that previous weekly high, we could see some bullish momentum. It's pretty much the same as daily and 4-hour high. Could start making some sort of 4-hour support. See some rejection here to the left. Need to look out for this zone. Well, man, I'm absolutely crushed by that summertime. I'm telling you.
You're an hour
Yeah.
earlier now, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. It's good for me.
Like,
It'll take some getting used to, man.
Yeah. What?
It's nice during winter when the clocks goes backwards. Man.
Yeah, it messed me up too.
Yeah, mine goes back on Sunday an hour. It's perfect. Anybody catch the cells?
no, I didn't.
Yeah, Nick did.
I got it from 07, but I only had a small lot size because I was trying a 4-hour strategy that worked out. But unfortunately, it was a very small lot.
Still think we can get some sales down now.
There we go. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I think so. But we need to close below 660 at least. Look on 30-minute time frame. from the analysis of yesterday. We need to close below here to get this main traffic for this.
Yeah, if this 15-minute breaks the previous low, then it could be nice sells.
15 breaks previous low. What? Oh yeah, the new
Yeah.
15 just yeah. I know I'd rather wait 10 minutes for that 30-minute candle to close below if that gonna take sales right now. And we have a full close. Yeah, we could already start moving when we break the low. That's true, but it's Monday. I want to see some structure. Got a chart coming in from Nick.
Yeah, somebody asked me to explain the trade I took earlier.
Oh, that's beautiful, man.
But long story short, I wasn't really at the charts. When I came on, I saw a break and retest on the 1 hour, even though I wanted to see buys.
Yeah.
I looked for like some type of continuation.
Ooh, someone has their full-on meditated zones on.
That's me.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
But
man.
that's pretty nice, man. Did you have auto partial take profit set or not?
Yeah, 15 pips.
Yeah. Savage. Well, go on. Good morning, Ryu. Very nice trade. Very nice sales.
That zone you have marked up as the break and retest I took on a 30-minute.
Come see the void.
Yeah, basically right there.
Here, right? Yeah.
No, that's the one in Asian. I missed that one.
But
Like that
this one you took.
yeah, 30-minute break retest.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't see the levels to the left because this is in the way for me. The zoom chat and the video cams. There's more people up, but I need to see how to get people changed. How to get Zoom to change your view for the person that's talking.
What do you mean change your view for the person that's talking?
Well, that sometimes it moves
Oh,
up and down for the person that talks.
Oh yeah. Well, if you have yourself pinned, then it shouldn't move.
Yeah, I don't move, but you should move as well, up and down.
Mm.
7 minutes left for this candle to close. Let's take a look at gold.
You don't want to see gold.
Oh,
So
oh man, this is nasty to the left.
Yeah.
That's nasty, nasty. We got 100 viewers. Nice.
Yeah, you should put the link too in the
Already
Zoom.
did, I think. Yes. Right.
Okay. Sorry.
Right here. I'll post it again. There we go. Yes, if everyone could give it a like, that'd be awesome. Yeah, gold is just nah. No.
Mhm.
Gold is a no. Look at this daily. Oh shit. And it's now in like a full consolidation area. Monday again, then Tuesday again, Wednesday again. It's gonna be Thursday, Friday then. Oh, it's still Monday, man. Relax. Yeah, gold is remove all this shit. Gold is not my thing. Gold is not looking good. I think we could get safer sells below 24 or even below these levels, 22. Because then it's just gonna have the room to move all the way down with clean traffic to the left. And now you're just in a nasty consolidation area. For buys, it's going to take a long time to work out. I think, look for buys. You want to, you know, there's so many levels here. I think based on a 4-hour, you could possibly take a buy once price starts breaking 136, but it's only going to be 30 pips. No, I just use a folder to journal my trades, Ali. I just use a folder. I just screenshot my markup and then put it in a folder.
I'll be looking into sells after it breaks a low. Even if it is in plus. Yeah, GJ.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Yeah, 50 minutes, half an hour, like the previous candle low, like the low of its own.
I do want.
Just because of the final, like Europe Open session.
Just bear in mind the 4-hour support.
Yeah, I was looking. This is nasty right now, but I also do want price to close strong below this level. Otherwise, I'm not gonna take it. 620-ish. That my likely thinking, Nick.
Yeah, personally for journaling, I do use Notion. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah. Heat. Friday then. Yeah, let's see. I'm not gonna rush into a trade anyways on the Monday. And this week, guys, this week is a pretty dangerous week. Yeah. It's the end of a month and the beginning of a month in the middle of the week, so probably gonna be very volatile. Cheat code. My G, Nick. Yeah, for GJ, I do want a price to close like 620 for me to take sells. Because now we're just showing rejection based on this consolidation area to the left on the 4-hour time frame. If you look at these wicks, even though there's clean traffic here and there's clean traffic here, this could be an important zone. See levels already to the left at this zone. Got a chart coming in from Prab.
See, it could do something like that. Just an idea for sales, obviously.
Yeah, it makes sense.
You know what I mean? If we start breaking above 150, 900, then I think obviously the sales would be invalid at that point. But for sales,
That makes
but
sense.
it makes a lot of sense. Yeah. Because you see this candle right now, it's rejecting. Fucking hell, it's Monday morning.
Yeah, and that 900 level is a 4-hour resistance. Left.
Yeah, that was I was looking for. I was like, no, that's not my thing. But let me remove all my drawings and do them again. Fresh analysis. Fresh. Go to. Yeah, now monthly we still need to close. So if we start closing above here, that would be very nice. Guys, if you have any charts, you can send them in. I can review them. Give feedback. On the weekly, we did already create that support. Mm.
Yeah, the end of the first quarter is end of March, pretty much.
Yeah. We did make a high now based on the 4-hour time frame. Weekly close
And but like you
bullish.
said, Augustus, I mean, it's 4-hour support, so
Yeah. Don't know, but I mean, maybe we start creating a support again. Go back up bullish.
yeah.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, man?
Finally, look with the cam.
We got Najim.
That's good, man.
Yeah, man. How are you, man?
Good, good. How are you doing?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good.
That's good.
You already taking the trade, or still waiting?
Well, I am in buys.
I thought so.
Yeah.
From where? 620.
No. From 156.53.
Okay. Oh, but that's still pretty good.
Yeah.
Did you base it on projection? Once it or not?
Yeah, there is a 4-hour support
Yeah.
resist. It's like a break and retest.
Yeah.
I think Luke, we should do a disclosure whenever Najim comes on that unless you ain't got experience, do not take trades based on what Najim tells you, because he is a beast and he knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
But
most people don't understand.
My trades are scary and so I take them all time like this. Like
Yeah.
they work the most of times they work. So
That's the best thing.
yeah.
Like
plus
supply
you
demand.
swing as well, though, don't you, Najim? Don't you? So your stop loss is probably, I don't know,
20, 30 pips. Right?
Let me tell you now. My stop loss is at 150 for 12. It's about
so yeah,
20,
25,
21.
21.
Yeah, but my full target it's 120 pips, all the way up to daily resistance.
He's already at 10 pips now. What a G. For how long are you gonna hold? The daily resistance, you said, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm looking for continuation because weekly, previous weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, you know?
Yeah.
So it's probably making bottom week.
Yeah, that was what I was thinking. Pretty nice, man. Pretty nice.
And they have some moving average here, you know.
Sorry, I was going to ask you, Najim, yeah, you don't actually aim for the 10 pips as well, do you? You don't really scalp it, you'll kind of wait, won't you? Or
what you said? Can hear you.
You know how we, like, for example, if we get 10 pips, we'll start putting break evens and all that kind of thing at entry.
He's not on that vibe.
You don't do that.
I secure profit and then I move stop at B, and if a runner run in my way, I get like 100 plus pips, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. So you will do that at 10 pips.
Sometimes 10, 20, 30, it depends.
Okay.
You got your camera on, Najim?
What you said?
You got your camera on?
My camera is on?
Oh, really?
I don't think so.
Oh, that was a question. Do you have your camera on? You have a camera?
Oh, yeah, I do.
get it so Zoom does the speaker, like whoever's speaking.
What?
You know what I'm saying, or no?
What do you mean? Yeah, when that the video moves.
No, mine doesn't. Mine's stuck on you.
Yeah, for some reason I'm trying to see here. But I'm probably blind.
Well, you have your
Replace
stuff.
spotlight. Oh, that's no. Frank is the spotlight. Wait. Maybe like this? No, that's only Frank. Hmm. Maybe I need to right here.
Let me see.
Luke, your camera is shit. Yeah, man. Thank you. I know. What it is, what it
Trying
is.
to- It is what it is.
I think it's quite clear, to be fair.
Yo, it was cheap as fuck, but I like it. I like
Nah,
it.
it's perfect, bro. That's
Oh,
all
That looks good,
Oh,
man.
good. Oh,
Yeah.
good.
If they keep liking the streams,
Yeah,
and after maybe one day I'll buy another one.
a better one. I'm trying to find here. Video settings.
240p camera. They just roasted you.
Touch up. Just for low light. No. Wait. It don't make sense. Yeah, boys, I need to figure this out, how to get those cameras to work properly. I could do this, make the chat a bit smaller. Now we see Master P as well.
I'm trying to come into Zoom from computer, but I think it's not working. I don't know why.
Oh. What's going on?
It's not connecting to the Zoom, like from the computer. Talking from the phone now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah,
Now what?
that's pretty weird.
It should be the same link, Najim.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's I don't know. Let me try again. Let's see.
Sorry. Green. There we go.
Yeah, just a little tip. I don't know if anyone uses it, but I just started using this. The My FX book dashboard page has everything.
You mean just my FX book itself?
Bro, I never really used it much. Uncle Ted had told me about it one time. But when you go to the dashboard, it has like the market sessions, news, everything.
Really?
Yeah, even like Raj will joke around and do that whole what's that thing called?
The Chinese indicator.
Yeah, it's got a little something like that on there too.
Oh, really? Damn. Didn't know that. Gonna change. Yeah, it's just waiting game now. Just a waiting game. For everyone that could give a like, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, I think by
Pop it up to 100.
by
Yeah, go ahead.
open, start going bullish though.
Yeah. Yeah, I might look into some sort of a buy as well. Range is pretty okay. So we had a 4-hour support. Take if we start closing like right here, we only have like a 5-6 pip stop loss, 7 pip stop, 18 pip target. basing this trade on having created a low and touching that 4 hour support level. Expecting also the daily to make it slow to continue back up. This is a retest. Just retesting this zone to the left. That's what I think. It is counter trend right now. So let's see. Let's take it easy. Here we got 200 people in.
All right.
There we go.
Luke.
Yes.
I sent something on to you on your Slack. I just DM'd you on Slack. If you, can you bring it up? I get these emails, right? I get it daily, and I'm not gonna lie to you, like at least 60%. These guys, it's quite accurate. It's from FX Pro. I don't trade from FX Pro, but I did initially.
I need to go on Slack, but I'm not gonna go on Slack.
Oh, does it not really?
Yeah, because some information is in there. So yeah.
So what it's saying, right? And I get these emails only because I signed up with them, but I've never traded with them. But it says the most likely scenario is the downside prevails as long as 151.26 is resistance.
26. 151.26.
Yeah, obviously this is for the long-term gains.
Yeah, this is all swing, I think.
Yeah, but it's quite accurate, you know.
You get these emails every day.
Yeah, man.
Damn.
I only signed up with them.
Damn. We already just hit 200 viewers. Very nice. Thank you, guys. Very, very nice.
200 euros.
Viewers.
Come on, man. You have to share with us.
And we hit 1.6K. Thank you guys for the people that just subscribed. Have you taken any trades today? No, not yet. Not yet. Next trade is for the new camera. My God. He really hates it. Yeah, I think it's bad because it's so small right now. Yeah, I don't mind. Camera is a camera. Which is better, stock market or Forex? Ooh.
Yes, is the answer.
Yes, that's a good answer.
Might make a lower wick here on the 30 minutes.
Yeah, I was looking at it too. It's some sort of projecting. What's your risk per trade, Luke? About 1 to 2%.
I made 0.1% on that trade today. 0.1%.
That's very nice, man.
It's terrible.
Hey, if you're trading with $1 million, that's still a lot of money.
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome. If I was trading with $1 million, I'd just buy some properties and rent them out.
Yeah, bro, that would go fast.
Actually,
243. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
You can't get much for $1 million.
No, depends.
What do you mean in property?
You need a good
Yeah, not in Australia.
Can't get
Depends
much for
where.
$1 million. You get out some loans. You fly away with them loans. You get like.
Yeah, if you
properties.
stable, I mean, if you have to put a 20% deposit and you
Get-
already have $1 million, I mean, that can
Yeah,
make
you
a
get-
lot of money.
Yeah, yeah, but you
You can
leverage
do-
a lot at that time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. That's true. Yeah, you can do 5%, 5% deposit in Australia.
Okay.
Mm.
Bro,
you've
1
got-
mil will buy you one and condo. I mean the one bathroom,
yeah.
2 bathroom, right? In houses in Florida. Well, I think. Yeah, that's all just based on buying it straight away without any mortgage.
Yeah.
No, like you said, you'd have to leverage the money. But after, I mean, when you have $1 million and you're doing big deals, banks will also not give you the best leverage like you would get on smaller deals with less money. But
Yeah.
still, I mean, you could still probably leverage. I would
But
say
also,
5 million.
Also, if you look on how low the interest on a loan now is in the
Yeah.
Netherlands is like 1.4% on a loan.
It's nothing.
So you could just fly that money through the bank, and you're like getting houses after houses. So
Same in Australia. It's you can get 1.5%.
yeah, that's very, very low. You compare that to like back in the days, we pay like 4 or 5%, sometimes even more. That's the same with companies, the car companies. You can get a loan in the bank that's like 1.4%, but if you're gonna finance a car, which I don't prefer to do, but if you do, you pay like 6% interest over that money. And at the end of the day, if you look at those numbers, like the entire number changed, because you're paying a lot more money now for the car. So yeah. Only taken buys above 290, so yeah.
Yeah, above 92 looks good. 920.
So damn, Nick.
Yeah, but-
Then we have a still highway up to go.
This
Good.
half hour's made a lower wick though. Now it just pulled down. See where it closes.
Yeah. You got a chart coming in? Let's see what the chart is. Cool. Yeah, could probably make sense. Still, as I said before, a pretty long way to go. Yeah.
Yeah. Doesn't look probable in this 4 hour. But who knows? Maybe
See.
it could reverse totally and go up.
Yeah, could do maybe. Maybe if we reject this hard, it definitely reverse pretty hard as well.
And the buys would be very good.
Yeah, the last 15 just closed doji like. See how this one is gonna. Oh, up a bit. This candle closes bullish. Can we take a buy?
Well, we can't.
We
You
can.
can.
I don't know if you can. I don't know yet. I'm looking. See, Najim also has a lot of. Makes a lot of sense what he did. Or he already has like that sniper entry. But if you look left, we're just respecting this support. We are in a downtrend right now, so lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This should be counted as the low at that moment for us to start going back up to create higher highs and higher lows. And maybe based on like 15-minute time frame, we just made like some sort of a fake out to continue back up. So it really depends on how this 30-minute candle closes. And that's only 10 minutes left, so pretty good. Pretty good. Anyone from Uganda? I think there are a couple people from Uganda. I've seen it in the analytics. So yeah. What does that? 1 fib golden zone at the moment. I've got no idea what that is.
Golden zone is 60 between 50% and 61.8.
Is that like a buy zone?
Yeah, it's like
Okay.
I mean, fibs are based on the pullback, and that's like the best like zone for the pullback, the most probable one.
Okay. I'm gonna make a Insta story real quick. I'll be right back. I'm back. We're throwing out phone numbers here in the chat. Look out with that, man. I'm gonna remove that real quick. You better look out with that. Just need a little more confirmation for buys to double tap.
To be honest, I'm gonna maybe try these guys.
Buys. Likely.
So good. So far, so good.
They do look good, but I'm gonna try them with less risk.
Najim. Look at your entry, man. The G.
It's in a chart if you want to pull it up so YouTube can see it.
Let's see. Savage. Savage. Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Man, I just checked. I haven't been transferred on IC markets to the global ones.
But did you also I did the same thing. I applied, but I didn't see it was the Australian one, so I was only able to use like 1 to 30 leverage.
Yeah, because I accepted the changes, to be honest, in regards to that. But I've done that a couple times.
Yeah.
And I wake up and I see that I'm on different leverage, and I'm thinking, I messaged them. I was like, guys, what's happening? Why haven't you transferred me back? and they were like, we can't see you sort of accepting the change. And I was like, really? I've done it a couple of times, man. So they issued a ticket to me, and yeah, waiting for a transfer now.
Damn. I had to make an entire new account. They were like, yeah, we can't transfer this account. You need to make a new account. I'm like, bro, really? I waited
What,
like,
really?
yeah, man, I waited like an entire week, 1.5 weeks for everything to get accepted, like the proof of
Wow.
address and stuff. And I'm like, finally I can trade and leave Vantage FX. And then that happens, and I'm like, fuck, man. And then he says, I'm like, bro, can you please transfer me? Because they used to be able to just transfer people to the other entity, yeah. Like,
Yeah.
he's like, oh, no, I can't do that. You need to just make a new account. And I'm like, nah. And it took another week for me to get accepted again. Yeah, it was really, really annoying. But it is what it is. And the views are going pretty good for a Monday morning. Like 200.
I can't join IC Markets Global in Australia.
Yeah, because.
Oh, yeah, because you live there, isn't it?
Yeah, you live there. Yeah.
Apparently, I live here.
Yeah, if you just say you live somewhere else, so. Oh, good.
Yeah. But I don't think the 1 to 30 leverage is going to hurt me.
No, it's fine. For me, it's fine as well.
It depends on how much risk you use.
I'm using the same risk, so I'm sweet.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you know, sometimes I want to take an extra entry, and if I'm on 130, it's not really possible for me.
Yeah, that's the thing.
I was
then you're
thinking
stuck.
more of if it was going to be a problem, then I could halve my lot size and split it up.
Yeah, I see markets got banned in Canada. Yeah, go ahead, Ricardo.
Oh no, that was it. Yeah.
If I'm looking left, this could be something. But at the end of the day, yeah, if we want to take a counter trend trade, we need to take a couple things in consideration because we're fully flying bearish right now. I'm making lower lows, lower highs. So the possibility of price going back up to this level and creating a resistance at this level to retest this low, pretty high, even though we're rejecting off a 4-hour level. So we need to look out with that. That's the only thing I'm worried about right now. Good morning from Shanghai, China. Damn, pretty far away, man, from my house. I've been in China before. I've been to Beijing.
Luke, you got a chart in the Zoom chat.
Let's see.
They have YouTube in China?
On the YouTube, yeah, there's a guy from Shanghai.
No, I know. Like, isn't YouTube like banned in China or something?
I got no idea, man. Ask him. YouTube banned in China? Otherwise, he probably wouldn't be here.
The Great Firewall, you know.
Where are you? Moving down. Yeah, that's what I was looking at as well. But at the end of the day, we could have made a low right now based on that 4-hour support. Ironic. I'm from the Netherlands. Where are you? Yeah, but that's pretty makes sense. Could reject off this level. That was I was thinking about as well. If you react to my chart, I went off my PC to make a coffee. Can you? I don't know. I don't think so. Send it again, please. Yes, perfect. Okay, thank you. Go there.
1.5 hours into this new 4-hour, and it hasn't got an upper wick.
Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at as well. We might reject off this zone and just continue moving bullish for now.
Well,
you know.
Candle's closing in a minute, so gotta.
Yeah, I'm gonna be focused for a second now. Leave that chart to the side. Might take a buy.
Because on the 15-minute, we are breaking above resistance.
Yeah, guys, if you don't understand the setup, please don't take it. Please don't.
650 is a strong 4-hour support that we're rejecting now, so it
Yeah.
makes sense.
Yeah, but if you don't understand, please don't take it. I'm begging you. First understand something before you take it. Because if you're gonna get a loss right now, it's based upon your own decision.
Yeah, I'm gonna just watch this. I'm just gonna watch and see what happens.
If it closes like this, I'm taking it.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, we got enough range up. Got a 10 pip stop. 11 pip stop and that. And have based on I'm pretty high up. It needs to close with a wick though, otherwise I'm not taking it.
I'm in.
Oh, you're in. Pretty savage right there. I'm in too.
I practiced this and yeah, I want to try it.
I am in too.
It's gonna pull back, make a wick.
Yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind.
Yeah, just
Yeah, I prefer to wait for the high. I'm not in it, but the high being broken
I'm
is
in
a
right
good
now.
indicator.
Guys, if you don't understand, as I said again, don't get in.
I'm targeting hourly candle resistance, so
You're in as well.
I'm in from 720.
Oh, that's savage. I'm in pretty high. See, oh. As I said before, if you don't understand this trade, please don't take it. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Understand that. It's a higher risk trade at this moment.
I don't like to jinx my trades by saying where I got in, but so I won't say anything.
You have a good entry probably. You
No,
have,
I got in at I got in at 75 and a half, I think.
Yeah.
I hope it works out for you guys, but I'm waiting for a
75.2,
lower wick, you
yeah.
know.
Yeah, it makes sense, bro. That makes a lot of sense. I should
Waiting
normally
for a
do that
lower
as well.
wick and then beat the
Yeah.
high.
Yeah, that's really, really good. But it's wrong.
Waiting for the lower wick.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Good morning from Uganda. Yeah, there's another guy. I knew. 300 people watching.
There is the wick, mate.
There's the week, yeah. It depends. Maybe it goes further down. Who knows? But let's see. Once you start breaking that high, you're good to go, I think. Hmm. Again, if you don't understand this trade, don't take it.
Yeah, just bear in mind, one candle doesn't change the direction.
Yes, exactly.
A safe trade, they have to wait for 1 hour to close.
Yeah. So this is a more. It's just a pretty dangerous trade. Could be. So just look out, please.
Yeah, it's a riskier trade, but it
Yeah.
has some,
Potential.
I mean, a lot of potential yeah, compared to the risk.
Yeah.
Because we could easily reject 770.
Yeah.
But, you know.
I mean, the target, I
Yeah.
mean, is like daily resistance. I mean, the ultimate big target.
Yeah, I think this 4 hour now is going to turn bullish.
Yeah, I mean, if it turns bullish, then it goes up again, can easily go all the way up to daily resistance.
Yeah.
Creating a support, yeah.
We'll see.
Let's see. You know, I know what I'm risking, so I don't really mind. So yeah.
It's Monday, guys. Take it slow.
Yeah.
Especially end of the month.
Exactly. Got 330 people watching. Damn. Hope 330 people watched out before taking anything like this. My biggest concern right now.
Are you
Dropped out.
managing risk?
You close?
Should always No, I haven't.
Okay.
But you should always be willing to manage risk. I mean, that should
Yeah.
not even be a question.
We
I wouldn't be
question that.
surprised if we come back again to retest 650 level
Yeah, we could do.
and then shoot up.
Yeah, I think.
Making a double bottom or something.
Yeah, that could possibly happen. Let's see. I'm looking to manage risk once you break 700. Damn, that open of that 5-minute candle. Jesus. If we.
Yo, good morning.
Good morning. How are you, man?
Morning.
I'm all right. How about yourself?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good.
Facts. Guys and buys.
Yeah.
Hey, risky business, man.
Mm. Yeah, let's see. Righty then.
I think if this 15-minute closes even like this, next one breaks the high, then it's
Yeah,
like guaranteed buy.
makes sense.
Then we should have an even better confirmation for it to go around.
Yeah, let's see. Depends.
After London Open, so that should help too.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a bit more careful. If we close bearish on a 15, close 50% off.
Still about 7 minutes for that, man. Plenty of time.
Yeah. You in as well, boy?
Sorry, I muted myself. No, I'm not. I'm waiting for certain aspects to happen. I just looked at the hourly, and I'm still quite bearish in that.
Yeah,
It's
makes sense.
creating that small bullish candle for it to go down sort of pattern, which I quite like. But let's see how this plays out, because although like I think buys are sells are clearer than buys, but let's see. I mean, if it breaks the high, then as Frank said, after the races might go in with a small entry, but I'm being very flexible at the moment.
Makes sense, man. Makes sense.
Yeah, this trade is based on like the 4-hour need for me on the daily.
Daily, yeah.
Yeah, 4 hour, yeah.
So that's why I mean it's
Yeah, let's see.
because if you look at market structure on the daily, you can see that little downtrend, that previous downtrend was broken, and now we're pretty much expecting that kind of the resistance it broke to the upside to form like a support, reject that, have a bottom wick for there, and after they keep pushing up. At least that's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
And that's what my trade
No,
is
it makes
based on.
sense. It definitely makes sense. Like buys also make sense. Like in the high time frame, it's coming back. It's just one of those like situation, isn't it, where like you can have both sort of prices.
Yeah.
But it just needs to wait on price action and how it plays out, really.
Yeah, that's the thing as well.
Because we got resistance on 15, sort of that we broke through, and
yeah,
if we break 77, I think we're gonna go for the races up. But apart from that, just be patient with the trade.
Yeah, that 700, 150, 700 is a resistance, and if that is respected as a support, and then breaks the highs, then wow. Yeah, this is from the 15-minute time frame. Like, if you look at the 15-minute, yeah, the previous resistance will turn into support now. Like,
yeah. It's 15 minutes. I think the price is forming a type of resistance to go sell. Could do.
Depends where it closes. I mean.
Yeah.
If it closes like this, then I mean it's still very valid for buys. If it starts closing even, I mean below,
below
50, then it's bad.
For me, 700 already. I'm closing 50% of my position right here after we broke the 5-minute low. 50% is closed of my position. Pretty much. Right here.
This kind of reminds me of that Tuesday where you took that banger sell, Luke. Remember the 14 pip sell? This, yeah, it's
looks a bit the
situation.
Same. Yeah.
It looks similar, yeah. Yeah.
But at the moment, that wasn't at a 4-hour support.
Yeah, that's true.
So yeah.
I'm wondering. Yeah, it's that 4-hour support, but we have clean traffic to the close left, and then further left we have some sort of issues.
Yeah.
It's very delicate day to day.
Yeah, it's worth a try this one. That's my thought.
Another thing, like the two candles now that are forming, that could be like a retest of the 770, 780 level,
Oh boy. Yo. Yeah, I think
650 is that area. Sorry, 650 is that area that we rejected on a 4 hours. So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, I'm looking what happens in this 15-minute close. So that's important for me. I would like to see it close at like 30 or 40 to see it pretty much retesting sort of this area. Yeah, I already did close 50% of my position.
I think you just have to give it some time also.
Yeah. Yo. Look out with that swearing in the chat. Look out with that. Relax.
Sells below 575. Yeah, I would say sells below below 155, 175.
I wish I waited for that pullback actually. The pullback was a better entry. Will you be adding more if it breaks the high? Also, no. No. If I close positions, that's gonna be permanently closed for me. So yeah. But what we could see happening right now from last week is that 15-minute faking out again. So let's see. See what happens. I'm
Yeah, it's
there you go. Yeah.
Look at it turning bullish now.
Yeah, stop spamming. Trade the operator. There you go. He's gone.
Now, if this 15-minute low breaks, then it's not a good sign, and you should really manage risk over there.
Eric, I had closed 50% at 5 pips. But I'm still in with 50%, so I don't really mind.
Bottom wick, and if it breaks the high, then it should look good.
DC, one of those. I do see some things last week.
Look,
if you look here, we could start making a resistance now, so I'm pretty careful right now. I'm looking to close my entire position if we start closing the 50-minute low right now. So my stop loss is going to be right here. 700. Managing risk, yeah. I don't mind if I take a win or take a loss. If I manage risk well, that counts for me as a win. Remember that. Then I lost half of what I intended to lose. The chart you sent. Already. Yeah, tap and then makes sense. The only thing price has to do now is break like 775. Yeah, man, without risk management, you're gonna be nowhere.
But after another scenario, I mean, you get like this kind of 30-minute close like it is now, and after the next one to push up. That's another scenario possible.
Yeah.
And even trick people out on the next 30 minutes. If this one closes like this, come back, do the lower bottom wick, and after push up again.
Yeah. That's gonna be a loss. There's a resistance downtrend markup, which will break down now. Okay, could be. Who knows? You see something else than I do. So.
The thing is, this is based on a higher time frame.
Yeah, this trade.
So give it some time.
Yeah.
yeah.
If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't work out, I already told you guys before. It doesn't work out.
Put your stop loss. Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
I would say put your stop loss at a good area where you know if it touches that, I mean, you're wrong.
Yeah.
And just be, I mean, you have to be honest with yourself, and after just give it some time and manage risk is like with your own parameters and intelligently.
Exactly. If it takes me out, it takes me out. You know, that's what I said at the beginning of the trade. You know what you're about to lose. You know about what you're about to risk. Next to that, I always said in the beginning of the trade that's a riskier trade than normally. So, for the people that didn't understand what we were looking for, please don't take it. That's what I said.
It was counter trend, but I waited for like a higher time frame confirmation. I think somebody was saying hourly closes in the chat. I went like something hourly for, you know.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. That would be pretty good. 1 hour closes in our direction. We could expect candle pushing down or even maybe closing below here to continue moving further down. This is all based on that 4-hour zone here to the left.
Yeah, I think overall you guys are good though. Like I'm pretty sure by the time market opens,
The only Yeah. The only thing that has to happen is we have to break 775. So yeah.
That's 15 minutes. I'm not scared for that. For me, where I'm really looking and I'm focusing on is after when we get to 860, because for me that's the daily level, and if we can't break above, then it means we can't go bullish, and the daily will be bearish. For me, like that's how I'm looking at it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
that's already my target.
880.
Yeah, that's already my target. Mine too. I'd be out at that moment. 10 pips. Or my first target's gonna be just 860. So let's see. Got a 5-minute closing above. Now 5-minute rejecting bullish momentum. So let's see what happens with this 5-minute candle. We look at that 5-minute time frame. See these higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This should be the higher high. This should be the higher low. So we could continue moving up now. And the only thing I'm looking for right now is 775 to break. I think that's the most important thing that should happen right now. Yeah, like this.
There you go.
There you go.
Perfect.
Yes, that's the level I wanted to break. And we should continue going further up now. And if we don't, then we're gonna manage risk. And we're gonna all be fine. Could you take a look at this trade idea, sir? Yes, I can. Let's see. But now we had a pretty important level broken. So we could stay in for as long as we could right now.
The thing is, it's 1 hour close, so you could easily expect another wick down.
Yeah,
100%.
For that
push up.
Yeah.
That's why I wait for the week, because if I already thinking about buys, I want to buy at the lowest point, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, you got a savage entry. This this chart looks pretty good, but this is, you have clean traffic to the left, but you need like a full strong close below here. Yeah. And I think you do need like a 1 hour to 30 minute you're on right now, like a full good close below there. Also look on the other time frames if you see some nasty points in these areas. Watch out.
Oh, I have an appointment soon.
Oh really?
Yeah, I have to leave like in 10 minutes.
I think you're good, Frank.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, no, but it's just I like this trade. I mean I took it, and
I'm up 9 pips, so I'm just break even now.
Yeah, you got a savage entry. I wish I waited for that pullback. I had a pretty bad entry. But it is what it is, waiting for what's gonna happen now, right?
Morning, boys.
Morning.
Yeah, I've just took the buys as well. Yeah.
Nice. There we go. Here we go.
Here we go. 87.
Flying, man.
Yes.
Don't stop.
So, where the people that said it wouldn't work out? Stop loss. Mine is bad, man. Mine's 768.
That's better than mine.
Oh.
Mine's 783. Got just after.
So I got my stop loss now at break even because I touched 6 pips profit. Managing that risk is one of the most important things in this game. So if we come back now, I'm gonna be out for good.
Just bear in mind, like the 1 hour closing at the top.
Yeah, that's true, 100%. But it's if I saw good profits, I might give it like
Hey
a
man, it should
bit
go. You guys
range.
should be good.
Yeah, we should be good. Exit at 10 pips. Yeah, about that. I'm looking at 60, 860 to exit, probably.
Just runner.
Yeah, leave it running. Yeah, I'm going to. Don't worry.
May the 1 hour may not come all the way down. Who knows? So
yeah.
If 850 goes, we're off to the races, man.
Yeah, I've got that as well. There we go.
There we go. 10 pips.
There we
Pretty
go,
much
boys.
hit.
Lovely trade.
Got 10, 11 pips closed.
I'll close at 13.
I'm still in full position.
My
That's
God.
a good trade. That's a good trade.
If you
Good
took
call.
this trade, give a like on the stream, guys. I know it was a bit of a
Monday.
risky trade. We managed risk inside the trade. We show you what we saw. We show you what we did. First things went bearish. Managed risk well based on 5 pips. Took out 50%. We got back up, broke the high as expected, and once we broke the high, what I said before, we're gonna fly. And here we go. So yeah.
I told you.
So thank you as well, Augustus, for that confidence.
No worries, man. I mean, as I said, I was targeting this hourly candle top range because we got this clean candle, and then at the same time, at the top of it, we got a rejection as well.
Yeah.
So that was my target. So I got 13 pips, and I'm really happy for Monday.
Very nice, man. I have a very, very, very small wins, only like because I closed 50%. There was a lot close. I closed some off at 8%, and I closed the rest at 10%. At 10 pips, 8 pips and 10 pips. But that was only like half my position, so I'm not in good profits. But
the thing is really
I only made like only like €6. It is what it is. I got in with a 50-cent lot, but I don't mind.
It doesn't matter, man.
At the end of the day, I had a
positive
25 euro loss of the risk management. So I took back all the risk. I removed the entire loss, got back all the risk, and a really small bit above. So I'm very, very fine with that. Thank you guys if took this trade. Good shit, look. Thank you, man. Give a like on the stream. You just hit 400 people. Do you see that? 400 people just got hit.
The people that want actually a safe entry was actually buys above this 5-minute resistance at 780.
Yeah,
so
100%.
You could easily grab 9 pips for sure, because 1 hourly, that's the range. You see what we rejected on hourly?
Yeah.
If you look on the hour.
Here we go.
Yeah, so we rejected that top range of that hourly candle. Of the bearish, yeah. So that was my target.
Yeah, mind you, I was looking at that too, and I was also looking at that daily level, this candle right here, 850. So that's why I closed. When we hang around 8 pips profit, I close 50% of my leftover position, just to make sure I cover most of the loss before we come back to break even, and then it shot up an extra, couple pips. So that was all good.
Yeah.
Rather be safe than sorry. If we're in profit, you don't want to leave them profits on the table,
So that's what I'm trying to say. For those that still in the trade, maybe you want to mirror the candles, and we got hourly rejections on the left as well. If you look on the hourly look.
Yeah, 1 second. Here we go.
So yeah, so slightly to the left with the bullish. No. On the same picture. But where we have a bullish candle on the left-hand side, not this one.
This one.
This one as well. But yeah. So you see that rejection wick on the left?
Yeah.
This one.
Oh yeah,
so
makes sense.
In this area, we might reject at any point.
Yeah.
And if you want to have a target, your target is hourly candles top wick, sort of body where it opened. So that was my target. So
yeah, but that makes a lot of sense, to be honest. Makes a lot of sense.
Because
very nice.
We got an hourly open in 2 minutes, and if this 30-minute doesn't close above 8:30. I don't know if we're gonna keep moving up.
Yeah.
But still, we might range in this level until a new 4 hour starts, because you can see in this 4 hour we have a huge rejection.
Exactly, but that was as expected by rejecting this entire zone.
Yeah,
you know, this we expected this just to be what I explained on the other time frames as well. Is that we expected this to be the low. This was the trend. Yeah, and at a point the trend is gonna stop, and that's gonna probably be at a very important level. And you see, this was it was a pretty good move as well. 151, 400, all the way down around 100 pips, 900, 100 pips, 90 pips, 100, yeah, around that level. And once you see that coming up to a very important zone, you could basically look at it, some sort of, Najim looks at it like supply and demand.
Well, that makes sense, because right now GJ is definitely moving everything of the structure.
Yeah,
it moves slightly slower than it usually be, but don't forget we're still in the first quarter.
Exactly, 100%.
For the 2 days more.
Yeah,
and maybe in the second quarter we might see more impulsive moves, but right now it just makes sense to work it off of the higher time frames.
Yeah, man, 100%.
4 hour right now is your best friend, and daily.
Yes, you'd swing this all the way up. Thank you, Leon, for your subscribe. Can we hit 300? 200 likes. Can we hit that? We need a couple left. Can we hit that, guys? Got 380 people watching. We also have 42 people in the Zoom, so should be able to hit that.
I have to go, guys. All right, take care.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you for being here, man.
See you, Frank.
See you, Frank.
One thing that's not happened as well yet, which I think when it does, about to happen, is the 4 hours not broke its own high. And when it breaks its own high, I think that's when it's just going to continue.
Yeah.
But it's just about to do it now, actually, to be honest.
Yeah, I still haven't taken a trade. So
No.
I would be careful now.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Weak on bottom.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't have
Gonna come back down.
Yeah.
Pull back. I closed 50% right now.
200 guys, thank you guys, thank you. 200 likes, thank you. So, very nice. Can you run through again the analysis for entry? Alright. I came in late. Oh, that's not good, man. Next time, come on time, man. Well, as you can see, if we go to the 4 hour time frame, what Najim explained is that, sorry, that was my phone. We see these wicks, yeah, see all these wicks. It's a very important zone. And we came all the way from this level, we pushed all the way up, bullish, right?
Yeah,
Create a high at this point on the higher time frame. So look at this as a higher time frame, but normally you would see it on a 15-minute time frame happening. But now it's gonna be a lot slower. You see all these wicks, and price came down to that level. And also, if you look on a 30-minute time frame, you see support at this level. Also left, you see it's a very important level. So as the trend was going all the way down, we opened with a new weekly candle that was bullish. This candle was closed bullish, and we opened here bearish. Same for the 4 hours. So we're making just a lower wick right now. We're in half of the entire candle. We only have 1 hour left for the candle, or 2 hours left for the candle to close, I think. So this was the first half, and the 4 hour didn't have a top wick yet. So the probability of pushing back up and rejecting this zone was very high. So once we had, I think it was a 15-minute close we entered on, I think. Need to remember now. So 30 minute?
Yeah, 30-minute close.
Okay, 30-minute close. So once we had a 30-minute close above this area, what I wanted to close above 740, I took an entry. Could have waited for that pullback, because I knew pullback was gonna come, but I was like, it could go straight away. So next time I'm gonna wait a little longer, maybe use some sort of a dynamic risk position. So it pulled back down, And you see these 15-minute candles, they closed above as well. You saw this 15-minute candle that was going down first, that where everyone's like, oh shit, what's going on? This candle rejected. This next candle went down as well, pretty much sort of tested this level. It tested this level as well, and rejected also, broke the high, 775, took a bit longer than expected, and then it started pushing up. Expecting this level, I don't know if sometimes with explanations I go through, like everything goes through each other. So, but we expected this to be a low. This was a lower low. This was lower high. We expected this to be a low, so not a lower low, a low. And now we're expecting price to just continue moving up, and it just flipped that 4-hour candle bullish.
Yeah, just bear in mind that 930 level.
Yeah, it's pretty dangerous.
It's daily, 4-hour resistance at the same time. So just bear in mind. I think if you want to get in a trade, you kind of too late. Just wait for the higher high now to be formed.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, I was kind of looking if we can break above 930.
The full target got hit as well. We need some horns because we.
GG is gonna fly, man.
Look at that going, man. You guys got runners?
Nah, I closed at my target, so.
If I had to take buys from here, I wouldn't. I would wait for the bottom week.
We need that.
Wait for another 4 hour.
We hit that target level, so.
It can't pull back down still.
Yeah, pretty nice.
Because if it does go up, it's got a long range to go up. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah, the next target would be 120, 151, 120.
If you're not subscribed, give us a sub. We're trying to hit that 2K, 2.5K. Be awesome.
My stops at B now, so that's whatever.
Should we let the Gulag choose the subscriber goal for next month?
Yeah, we could.
What do you think, guys, is possible to hit next month? I think we could.
I
maybe.
mean, if you keep showing your face, we can reach 5,000.
Yeah, we could.
She's flying straight.
100K. Whoa, relax.
I went in straight in Gulag style saying 100K. Let's go.
I think we could be able to hit 2.5K. Is that possible?
GG just flying with the load and open.
Nice trade, guys. Nice trade. Look at that.
Bio, did you take it?
Yeah. I took it slightly late, like 90, but I closed at like 7 pips, 7.5.
That's still pretty good profit, man.
It's Monday, man. It's Monday.
Yeah. Hey, look, do you think TzRzetHz will retest it low? Now, the thing is, we just broke the entire structure. If you look at the trend, we broke this entire structure. We got out. For the people that trade trend lines, probably saw that as well. I don't trade trend lines, but it makes sense. This candle just retested and blew back up. But we're probably not going to retest. We might retest this again, but we're not definitely going to retest this.
And where you point out your lower low. So I think that's the area we might come back.
Yeah. 100%.
Maybe with the new 4 hour. So, you know, we create a 1 week, but buys now is just, it's too risky. We're only 8 minutes into this new hour. So, fair amount.
Look out for this. We could probably hit 1,700 subscribers today. We only need, how many do we need actually? I don't think many. We need 20 subscribers to hit 1,700 subscribers today. We could be able to do that. Come on, guys, hype it up. Come on. See if we can do
What
it.
were you saying?
I said the high probability to pull back down the 1 hour.
Imagine this guy, he's been quiet, and he's been out in from like 650. 33 pips.
It's actually I'm waiting on like a good pullback, like a bearish and then bullish to continue.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice trade. Again, I want to thank Kustis for that confidence.
No worries, man. It was a sort of a good rejection of 4-hour level of 650, and then the way that 30-minute closed above that bearish candle, because that bearish candle just indicated that we don't have enough volume. You can see how the body closed. So that sort of indicated that we don't have enough volume, and that would make sense for us to go further up to the next resistance area, and which we did.
Exactly, pretty nice. See what we can do.
Yeah, I didn't like taking it on the close, but once I was looking at it, once it broke the 30-minute high at 780, but then I hesitated and I was like, nah, I'll wait for another confirmation at London Open.
What gave me more confirmations is that 15-minute closed above 750 with a dodgy candle, but still closed above bullish.
Yeah, me too.
So,
I was looking at that too. I was like, it's rejecting this zone. That's what I was looking at, and I was very glad that that 30-minute closed above that level as well.
Yeah. Even if the previous candle closed bearish, I was still looking for buys because it was above that. Like, 700 level.
Because we shifted the structure from that bottom range.
Someone in the chat says you're gonna get copyrighted by Reja for the horns.
Raja is good, man.
Yeah. Exactly.
We're just learning from him. I mean, I'm proud to say I'm a student, man.
Guys, you should give a like for the stream because Luke got his camera out, you know.
Yeah, man. First there with the camera. Get some subscribers, man. Get some subscribers in as well. We're about to hit 1,700 subscribers. We need 15 people subscribe left, and we have many people in the stream. Oh look at that.
We got 370 people watching. We need more likes, guys.
Yeah, and we also have 40 people in the Zoom. So
going straight, man.
GJ is just flying.
Where's the camera, Augustus? Off.
Yeah, it's off. I'm speaking on the phone now, so.
Oh really? Okay.
Because my computer ventilator is just too noisy for me to speak on a PC, so.
Yeah. Oh damn.
You don't want to see my morning face, man. Anyway.
Come on, man. You make millies on Forex, but you can't activate your Windows. First person that saw it. Windows is not activated. Fuck that Windows. I don't need Windows, man. What do I need Windows? It works anyways. I could. If I put it on the other screen, you won't see it. That's the fun part. I might put the thing on the other screen later. Yeah, man.
It's looking like our biases from yesterday going out for the first couple of days are just going to play out so nicely, man.
Yes.
I was looking at it because I was expecting if we wanted to go down on the weekly, I was expecting for us to push further up. But now that we went down to sort of create support on a daily structure on 4 hour, that would actually make sense for us to go even further to 152. And that's
even retest the highs of like 152,500.
Yeah, 400 initially, yeah. But I think Najim's buys to that target is really sensible. But we might react at that level, guys. It's a new month, new quarter coming in. And if we, with the new monthly candle opening, if we push further up at the beginning, I'm expecting to have a sell-off. But apart from that, we are very bullish structure-wise.
100%.
You guys still holding this?
No, I'm already out, man.
Oh man, you guys got ways to go.
Yeah,
this is your week's swing trade right here.
You didn't leave a runner?
This is the start of a week.
Oh, Najim is gonna
Yeah.
smack me now because I didn't leave a runner.
Yeah,
I'm sorry,
Seb, leave
Najim.
You know,
runner, man.
at least you caught the trade.
Yeah.
I
Next
missed
time
it.
I'll leave a runner, Najim. Don't worry.
The runner who is giving you pips, not the tip.
Yeah,
Tippy.
true. Sorry, Najim.
Yeah, that
Sorry.
shit's on cocaine.
Steroids, man.
Yeah, look at that. Crazy.
GJ woke up with a
How far
line
did
of
it
that
go
yay.
up? Like 250. Yeah, crazy.
Luke, can you go on the
25
weekly?
pips. Yeah.
You see
Oh,
where the weekly
yeah.
weekly wick is rejecting the previous weekly wick of the
Yep.
bearish one?
Yeah, I see it. Straight away.
Yeah,
We talked about yesterday as well.
It wicked a little higher than that too. It didn't even.
Yeah, so
Didn't
we
even
saw
break it.
rejection.
Yeah, tapped it and then just.
That demand zone.
Yeah.
And the way the weekly closed before is just unbelievable, man. Man, Najim is just eating the Monday.
Najim
coffee.
is a crazy guy.
70% right now.
Yeah, that's very good.
Oh, and now looking back at it, it was also at a 61.
Look back at it.
Jeez.
Yeah,
Came to
honestly,
parts a little too early.
Arseni, to be honest, Luke, I did not believe that this trade would play out since it looked like just a retest of the resistance for continuation down. Well done, though. Thank you, man. Thank you for being honest there.
I miss it. I missed the whole loaf. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
I was too sleepy, you know. I was just looking at it.
Yeah, time change, yeah.
It's
time
not
change,
acceptable
right?
on Monday. It's not acceptable on Monday.
It's okay. It's okay.
I would allow you on Friday, but not on Monday. Man.
I knew the buy.
It's Monday,
coming.
man. It's like you need
I was just sleep because I was watching the 5-minute and it was like, okay, there's the higher high. Oh, there's the higher low. Like, when are you gonna enter?
Yeah.
So that's okay.
The thing is, it's Monday.
It's
Monday,
Monday.
Monday has to be the day you're gonna, destroy everything your path.
No, I like those on Tuesdays though.
I'm
Tuesdays is
fine
my
with that.
day,
You
that's
got a
when you
Tuesday.
get that boom. This is that bang.
I want Mondays
Tomorrow
to
you
be the
get boom.
Every Monday should be a Monday for me. That's gonna be motivational as fuck. Even though if I take a win or a loss.
I was actually looking at the Nick selling the pound, and I was tempted because we have a clean candle on the left and the bullish one on the 30-minute, and I was tempted to take a sales, but I was like, nah, I'm structure wise, I'm bullish.
Yeah.
So, but it was good sell.
That
was a good sell.
Short-term sales. That's one 15 pips.
It made sense actually. On 30-minute, we created resistance and below that 930 level, and then hourly was breaking the lows, and I was hesitant, but then I looked at your chart and I was like, yeah, it makes sense, 100%.
Yeah, we all see something different now. Subjective.
That's the thing. Yeah, that's the thing.
But I am waiting for a good setup to take the buys.
Yeah, the
I
good
think
setup
this
would
hourly
be
might
coming to
pull back
150.
deeper.
158.61. That's where I'm looking at. You could also at this point draw a fib on this little play because it broke structure.
We got a chart in. Let's see.
Ooh, the fib's weird. Don't fib it.
Ooh, pretty nice, man. Like the.
Thanks.
Oh, this way. Yeah, just same situation. Yeah, close at 5 pips, same situation as me. Now we're still running. Oh, you're a G for leaving it run. I didn't leave it run. What I couldn't done better. I like this, man, that you'd put this. Next time, put some extra information of supports resistance, but I like that you put the recap like I normally do as well. Yeah, pretty good, man. Yeah, I have the same situation as you. Same situation. For some reason,
you should start leaving a run on Luke.
Yeah, man.
Just a little, even if it's like 5%.
Yeah, I was about to, but when what happened is that I closed 50%. Yeah, once we hit 7 pips, and I had 95% close at this is coming out big time. The sun is wait, hold up. It's Monday morning, man. Relax. I had a 95% partial take profit at 10 pips, but because I closed 50% already, it just deleted the entire position.
Oh, right, okay, yeah.
For some reason, if I go to Instagram, it doesn't show me. I mean,
with
Spotify.
the GJ buy sentiment, I might be a little bit skeptical because UK cases has been risen over the weekend. So that might bring a slightly negative sentiment to pound, because apparently they let kids to school, and since that day everything was getting higher, the numbers and everything. But the only thing that overwhelms that is UK vaccinated 30 million people. So in that term, it's slightly more positive than negative.
Yeah.
Someone trading from a playground.
Yeah, I heard it. Teacher
Oh,
things.
can you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the kids next door to me. I mean,
Just with the vaccine, man, it doesn't kick in until after a month that you've had a shot, so you're not immune to it.
Yeah. I know what you mean, but it's still the sentiment behind the investors that they vaccinated 30 million people with the first dose, and that already set the tone in regards to positive pound. But Boris Johnson, he mentioned that they are afraid of Europe's new virus, so
we'll see how
it goes.
I don't think that's a weird chart, Dozzy. You need to send it a bit different, I think. But we could do it anyways. Let's see. Chart from the Gulag. Yeah, I was pretty much the same situation as this one right now, based on like 15. But it makes sense because you broke the bearish structure just as on GJ. It's on EJ. You get a support created right here, and maybe you close above this area, or even if you have enough pips in this area, you could definitely take a buy up. Very nice chart. Yes, very nice. Maybe the people that wanna take a buy as well on GJs, wait for a support to be formed over here. Watch out for this level right here where I got marked up, but could see some continuation moving further up. Even if you go above here, you have clean candles to the left, even though this is dog shit. This is clean candles right here, so you're trying to mirror that.
EJ had the same move as GJ.
Yeah.
And I think on the 4 hour, it looks even more cleaner for us to retest that broken structure on 4 hour.
We need to remember now that the 4 hour candle was closing at a different time now. Normally it was closing at 10 o'clock in 40 minutes, but now it's closing an hour later. So be careful with that, guys. So that's my entire. But yeah, watch out with that. Friday, then let's do Monday. We're about to hit that 1,700. 5 subscribers left. Can we make it? Can we make it? 1,700 today.
how many views are we on today?
Currently we're on 360, and we have 37 in the Zoom.
We're missing 100 likes, guys. Come on.
Yeah, man, we're missing 100 likes. Come on, where are they? I got my camera out, you know. Got my camera out. We also
well, no one's liking, Luke.
Yeah, but 300 likes, if we hit that, that would be absolutely insane. That would be insane, I'm telling you. We only need 50 people to like. But...
Man, you got 3 dislikes. I think those people took a sell. GG.
Yo, Luke.
Yeah.
I was thinking, why don't you do the same thing and stream in Twitch as well?
Like double stream.
Yeah, why not?
I could look into that, but I don't know if my computer's gonna handle that. I have a fast computer, but just streaming alone is already costs a lot of power, I think. Charles Porpoise, why have you closed 50% of the trade? Well, I was looking at lower time frames. I was looking at 5 minute. And I saw this 5-minute closing bearish, next 5-minute closing bearish, and I had in my mind, you need to have points where you're gonna manage risk to lower your risk once you come fully down. So I was looking at points where I could manage risk, and once I saw this 5-minute breaking the low pretty hard, I was like, okay, let me close 50% right here. If we come further down, we could manage some more risk at 700 and have a lot smaller loss, like a very small loss compared to what we're, you know, looking to lose. And luckily, not pretty much luckily, but that 5-minute just pretty much sort of retested this area. If you don't mind these candles, this is sort of some fake up. If you look at this candle and this candle broke up. This candle tried to break up, didn't work. This candle broke up, came back down, retested this level. What I see now, yeah, that's sometimes what you don't see in the trade because you don't see everything at the same time. This candle retested the level, created support above that level, closed above this level, the 5-minute. Next one rejected. The other one broke the high and it just continued moving up. But because this bullish candle broke the low first, I decided to take 50% off just to manage risk for if we come down, because there's always an if.
I think, Luke, you could have maybe even managed until it hasn't broken the 5-minute support.
Yeah, that was. I should have.
Because
I should
that
have.
was the structure wise.
Yeah, 100%. Because if I look back now, but this is all learning lessons. Every day you learn something new.
For sure.
Real quick, not to be that guy, but I think we should let somebody finish what they're about to, like the point they're gonna make. I mean, that's kind of interesting what he's about to say.
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, go ahead.
5 minutes.
If you what I could have done better is just wait for that 700 level to break. But yeah.
Yeah, once again, not trying to be rude, but
no, makes sense.
Making that point, I just kind of want to hear their point of view. You know what I mean?
Yeah, 100%.
Because from my sort of point of view, it was that 5-minute was creating a structure. Obviously, it wasn't as nice as you would like to see, but that 5-minute support was kind of strong one. And the way it rejected and came off that 700 level. So I think that should have been your point of risk management at that time, because I know it was closing bearish those 5 minutes, but it never, the low was never broken on the 5-minute support. So, but yeah.
True. 100%. I should have looked more into that, because as I see now as well, you just see price, as you said, with that structure. You see very nice higher highs and higher lows, and you see what you just said, that structure is not getting broken in any way. But that's all, learning lessons for next time.
That's how GJ is working right now, of the higher time frames. As long as the structure is right and you trade in off the structure, you need to be more patient with the trades and keep it longer.
Yes, 100%. Yeah, the only thing I didn't really like was my entry. If my entry was at like when I got in based on that pullback first, I probably wouldn't have closed 50%. But because I got so high up in the top, like 7, 6, 8, I decided to do that.
Yeah, once the high got broken on the 30-minute, it was beautiful. Should have taken it then, but hesitated.
Ewan.
Yep.
With your entry, did you? Yeah, no, that's cool. Did you put buy stop there?
No, I was just sat there waiting for it and waiting to press buy, basically. Probably should have put a buy stop.
But... Yeah, I should have as well, because I got slipped. That's why, like, I secured profits at like 7 pips.
What was your entry?
90s. Wait, let me have a
90 something. I managed to get 83, which, looking at it now, that's actually an okay entry, considering it was a break. So
96. I wanted to enter at like 90, 80, 82.
Yeah.
Well, I got slipped like a pip and a half.
Yeah,
so
I think I
secured earlier.
Stops.
Yeah, I don't understand. Oh, you didn't take this yet, I think.
He's planning it once it
Yeah.
breaks the high.
Yeah.
Kind of looking a similar thing over there too.
Yeah, because this 15 is then retesting this level.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm looking to enter more. Yeah, I think once it breaks the high. But the range is only 6 pips.
Yeah, you don't have a huge range at that point.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna wait and watch, sit back and watch, because if I can preserve what I've made this quarter, that's worth more to me than try and make extra and lose it.
Yeah, I was super cautious about taking trades today, just because it's the last
This week.
2 days.
Yeah, last 3 days.
This entire week.
Yeah.
Could be.
Because Master, if you would like to look for a trade, I think it would be better to wait for a new 30-minute to come down to 930 level. Because it's opening in seconds literally, so
Yeah, exactly.
That would make sense to sort of create the support, and then obviously, but we already retested that on 15, so I don't know.
I think 930 is where we're going to form support to keep pushing up.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, gold is still nasty.
Yeah, I haven't touched gold at all.
I think if you want to... Oh, yeah, go ahead.
There was this one guy in the Gulag who said he was in a fat gold sell from 1726 500, something like that. Like, yeah, just be careful with that because the range is super small.
Yeah, I was looking at gold sells and I was about to take one, but it was too small of a range. I think I was looking at like 10 pips and I was like, just
exactly
calm down, you.
Way too small.
I think for
gold, I think gold is gonna go bullish for now.
After having taken that first trade, my second trade, I think I'll only take it after 151, 150, 150,
Yeah.
150. Other than that, like, yeah, there's a nice range right now for 15 odd pips before we get there, but that's the only thing I'll be looking at now, man.
Yeah, I think a break of this high, like if I didn't take a trade, I'd probably think about it.
Even look at the 5-minute, the way it's creating its own structure.
Yeah.
It looks nice for us to push further to 120 level.
Got another chart coming in.
What
I'm looking on gold.
Yes.
Oh, nice. What I'm personally looking for is on gold, just to be outside this range. Don't know if I like it enough. It's some ranges are pretty good to trade in, and makes sense to buy here again because it's at a important level. Look at that daily. Damn. Take a look at that chart we got sent in from the Gulag by TzRzetHz again. Okay, close above. Lean traffic here till these levels. This is already clean. Yeah, pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Let's see. So what are you looking for right now, Master?
Kind of decide to break, but I don't know. I'm always so uncomfortable entering a move when I've missed the first leg up.
Yeah. No, I get you.
Yeah, because then I feel like I'm chasing it. I'm forcing things.
That's the thing.
I think if 4 hour closes above 930, we should be good to 151, 300 at least.
Building up ready for this morning. Main confluence was after the Jajin Hotel chart.
Luke, you should share your the Luke's Trades Instagram page.
Oh yeah, could do.
Yeah, might as well.
I don't do. Yeah, now I start doing some more. But this is my Instagram channel. If you wanna go there, maybe give a subscribe. I haven't really posted much yet. Posted a couple trades, and do some stories. You got Augustus. Actually, yeah, I posted one more thing. Yeah, pretty nice. See the 15 pulling up.
Yeah, I'd take a paper trade over here, but very reluctant to put any risk on the table today.
Yeah, just be careful. The last 2-3 days now until month closes.
You could do anything. Yo, Ewan, are we the only people with cameras on?
I know. That's looking obviously.
Yeah. I think what a good option might be, where people that still want to take a buy, is one deeper close just above here, and one close coming back up, breaking this high. You have
when you get a chance, check the Zoom chat.
Wrong message. I look sorry late to the charts. We post the reasoning behind the trade you took. Yeah, I always post my entire chart at the end of the in Slack.
Start posting on Instagram.
Yeah, but it's really annoying because if I do this, I need to put it to like a couple of different things to, and it's through a couple of different softwares to make it that small.
No, what you do, Luke, is
yeah?
Have you got the Slack app on your phone?
Yeah.
So send the picture to yourself on Slack, and then I just save it from there. So
okay,
I've just posted one on Instagram now, and it's the full chart. It's really good actually. You can post the full chart on there.
Let me go to your. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's the same one as mine, I think. Only if you look on a desktop, you can't zoom in, you know.
Right. To be honest, I've never gone on Instagram on the desktop.
No, but there was a guy messaging me. He was like, "Yeah, why put it like this? You need to put it on like Imgur for people to be able to zoom in." And like most people are on the phone on Instagram, but okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead to sleep.
Yeah, man. Sleep well, man.
Take care, Najee.
Take care. Have a good night, guys.
You too, man.
Thank you for tuning in, Najim.
No problem, man. See you tomorrow, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Take care. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go as well, or at least take a break from the chart to avoid anything stupid.
Yeah, no problem, man.
And I feel like I should do the same because I'm itching to take a buy right now. Well,
yeah.
15-minute breaks, but I've got a decent win, and I'm gonna put it on the line. So
yeah, keep your wins, man. Don't risk them again. It's Monday.
One more bullet in the chamber, though.
Yeah, but it's Monday, man. Monday. Watch out, and it's the end of the month. Beginning of next month. This week as well. So.
It's kind of messy to the left, but we'll see what happens.
Gonna take it.
I don't know. I have to look really good. I don't like taking the 15-minute, but these last two London sessions, the 15-minute has been like really good.
Yeah.
Nick, I think you have to call it a day, maybe.
Hey, Luke. How old are you, by the way? I was expecting an old guy trading FX. No, man. I'm 21, man. I'm still young. I'm about to turn 22.
I'm 21.
Yeah, bro.
Sheesh, you got your whole life ahead of you, man.
Yeah. I didn't expect you to be that. Not old.
Man said old. Man
No.
is only 30.
Yeah, 30. 30. I didn't expect you to be 30, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Like,
But I've never seen a photo of you, so I don't know what you look like.
I gotta get the cam set up.
Yeah.
You can hear his voice. It makes sense slightly.
Yeah.
He's above Luke's age.
Yeah. I thought you were like 25, around that.
Oh, high's broken.
Yeah, high's
Nick,
got broken.
Nick, you
Yeah,
in?
not in it. Probably.
1000%. 1000%.
What's
Just
the entry,
bear in
Nick?
mind, guys, the range is too
Look
small.
up. What's the entry, Nick? What's your entry?
058. When it broke that 15-minute bearish high by 1 pip.
Wait.
I think better entries would be of the 5 minute.
What's the number again?
0.058.
Okay. I didn't hear it.
If you were expecting for 15-minute high to be broken, you should be in on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
I've never looked at the 5 minute in years, man.
Looks pretty good.
I mean, it's just the momentum that we have right now.
Yeah.
It might be better to look at the smaller time frames, but I would never suggest to just base your trades on of the smaller time frames.
Yeah. I wouldn't personally take this. Should continue moving up if we break this entire structure.
Yeah, because this move you kind of expect it to continue with
Yeah.
New York volume. Like this is one of those days that's probably gonna keep making higher highs.
Yeah, and at the end of the day, all time frames are flipping.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, or I flipped. You continue moving up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like the. Oh yeah, go ahead.
No, boss, go ahead. I'm listening.
Oh yeah, all I wanted to say was with this New York 4 hour, I think we can continue pushing to retest the high at like 151, 400, 300. I think Augustus mentioned that too.
Yeah, to me, 9:30, like I said, was just a key point for me.
Mm-hmm.
Did that break and retest on the hourly, so the minute that got broken, it's like we're taking off to buys, and we just formed support off of it.
The 4 hour candle should break as well soon, hopefully.
Yeah, just bear in mind with the new 4 hour, we might come back again to retest 930 level.
Yeah.
Because if we close in with the 4 hour above 930, that's sort of a good indication that we might going up to the top of the range. But just with the new 4 hour, I would expect.
Yeah, Augustus, sorry to interrupt there. You know, on your what's it called, Tradingview, what's it saying? Is it saying that the 4 hour is going to open or close? Sorry, in 20 minutes. No,
it's gonna open in hour and 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just more settings then, I'm guessing. So we got time.
Yeah.
Time to adjust in Tradingview.
But just with this 4 hour, you would look at the lower time frames where you're gonna be the target you want to reach, and then the new 4 hour might come back to make a warm wick to retest that top of the range.
Yo, boys and girls, can we hit 300 likes? We need 16 likes left to hit them 300 likes on this stream today. Can we do it? We have enough people in, so we should be able to do it.
We need 12 likes, come on.
I need to jump off.
We have a call, right?
This morning, and I'll catch you tomorrow.
Yeah, perfect, man. Thank you for tuning in.
Take it easy. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, man. There we hit 300. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Crazy. We've already been streaming for 2 hours now. Time's flying by.
When you're having good time, it's always like that.
Yeah.
Nick, how are you gonna manage your risk? Or where's your stop loss at?
Stop loss is below the 30-minute, but if start breaking the current lotus painting, I'll close half.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Do you want this 15 to close above in any way, or do you not mind where it closes?
No, as long as it closes bullish, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, because at that point it creates the support either way.
Yeah, exactly. As long as we're closing above 930, we stay above 930. I'm cool.
Yeah. Ideal situation would be close above 33. They clear this resistance.
Yeah, I've never really looked at it like that. Like I said, I just focus mainly on is support being formed.
Yeah.
Are we holding it? Like
Makes
I said,
sense.
we did that resistance off of 930 and we just broke it. We're basically resistance turn support in the dark sort of trend. So as long as I see a bullish candle, I'm okay.
Yeah. Because even if it won't close above, that's like a slight nuance, but we create a strong support, and that would just make sense of the structure to go up.
But like you said, I wouldn't be surprised if we get another wick down to 930. So as long as we're closing above it, I'm completely calm.
Yeah, with this 15 minutes close, Nick, I think you're good, man.
Yeah, no pressure. Like I said, the partial take profit and everything's set.
I think Nick is just too calm, for these trades.
No, I've spent a lot of time back testing, man. Like I said, just to let the trades play out with the bias. So if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. But I always try to trade in the trend of like break and retest or good levels of support and resistance. So completely calm. Magic Keys has the wheel. So,
but is it? By the way, if you have Magic Keys, and that partial take profit, I never really looked at that. Can you also put partial take profits, at like in your stop loss zone?
So basically, what you can do, you basically put a partial take profits, and if it hits like 8 pips, it goes straight away into your stop loss goes break even straight away.
Oh no, I was meaning like, let's say you have like your position open like we had. Let's say just put it the same candle for a second. Let's say right here. Can you also with the Magic Keys place like a partial stop loss right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never tried that.
That's the FN button.
you can put a partial stop loss anywhere.
Oh yeah, I thought I heard someone say before, like, yeah, if price is above going bullish, you can put stop loss above, and it's below, you can put partial take profits, partial take profit below.
Oh yeah, you can play as much as you want with it.
Oh, okay, perfect, man. I didn't know that.
If you're saying partial take profit, I don't know because
it's the same, right?
Well, no, it's not the same, but like your partial take profit has to be above price if you're in a buy, and your partial stop loss has to be below the price. Else you can't set it.
Not to cut you, I wouldn't say that because partial stop loss can go anywhere in profit or negative, but partial take profit I don't think can go below price.
No, but I mean like the partial stop loss can't be above the current price if you're in a buy, for example. Because I tried that for some reason some time ago and it didn't work.
Yeah,
I see what you're saying.
Nick, 9 pips?
8.7, but I'm gonna let it run to 200.
Let's go.
A lot of people are asking about the Zoom session. Soon I'll be having some sort of mentor group. But for now on, only the people in the Forex family are able to join. They will be able to join from now on. So if you're in the Forex family group, you are able to join the Zoom link is in the London session. Called again channel. Yeah. You know, boys, I forgot something to do. Yeah. Bye. Got to put on. No.
Wait for a second.
I forgot my sunglasses. Yeah, and the beach.
Oh, yeah.
The beach setup.
Speeding ticket.
Going so fast.
Can someone confirm if this 4 hours being broken or not?
Hey, 1 second. Let me see. Yeah. Pretty
Yes,
much
come
broke.
on in.
Pretty much broke. I think it needs to go one small half a pip higher for it to fully check out.
Boom, boom,
Yep.
boom, 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 boom.
10 pips, Nick.
10 pips, but I'm going for 15. I'm waiting for
Nice.
But you break even, right?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. Okay.
Come on, 12 pips.
There's no stopping GJ, man.
Yeah, this thing
No
is gonna
stopping
shoot
GJ.
to 400 right away.
That
Forget New York session.
well done, mate. Well done. Master P, your paper trade worked out, yeah?
Yeah.
You didn't take him, did you?
No, I didn't take any live trade today.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Always flying.
Yeah,
I
once
was a bit skeptical with the range. That's it.
I mean, I've seen this happen a lot where it forms this 15-minute pattern over here, and then it keeps moving into New York. So that support, I mean, that resistance over there.
Oh,
Oh,
Nick.
damn, it's flying.
Nick.
Wow.
Lovely. Well done, man. Well done.
Yeah,
nice trade. Second buys got called in the stream. Oof.
Hey,
Man, just hold it, bro.
No, I am. What I was gonna say was, what I've learned is, when you look to the left and it's messy, and I mean, trade what you guys see once again, but from back testing, if it's ranging to the left, but it's bullish trend, that usual fake out before London open is just, it would just blast right through it. If that makes sense.
Yeah, with volume, it moves through with one clean candle.
The way the Nick mentioned, the way we closed above 930 level, and then we sort of rejected that, and then next 15 closed bullish, sort of creating support above that level. That just made sense for us to push even further.
Correct. Like I said, when it looks messy to the left, because here's the thing, I kind of like watch Raj, and I'm like, all right, he's right. It's messy to the left, but he trades against the trend, with the trend, everything. So from back testing, if it's messy to the left, but GJ is going to run like a train in the right trend. So nothing to the left will stop it from going bullish.
Very good trade, guys, and very good day. Wow.
Yes.
Monday.
Yes, sir. But that's my last trade taken for the night. Just hanging out at this point.
You better do.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Look at that, GJ. Look at how far it moved. 50 plus pips.
Yo, wasn't this our weekly analysis, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, we got spamming the chat. Yeah, I can see it. Relax. I was doing something else at the same time.
Yeah, my target got hit 60 pips from my entry point, but
you have a runner or
nice trade.
No. I told you my target was the hourly range, and I closed it. So I was really happy, to be honest. On Monday, I just didn't want to, blow off too much.
No, that makes sense, man. 100%.
Because I was, not gonna say afraid, but just taking precautions, because we got monthly closing in 2 days now. Second quarter is coming up, so I'd rather take it easy and just get my 10-15 pips and be happy for the day.
Yeah, man. Like I said, I was kind of like fully on board with the whole Raja method, but I've been like trying to figure out how to not swing necessarily, but kind of like take the load off, and then let a small portion run, especially in the trend.
Makes sense, man.
Yeah.
And you off to the races still?
Yeah, we'll see if this break even holds. I'm only targeting 50 pips anyway.
Okay, to the 4-hour resistance, or whereabouts?
It would be like 550 area.
Okay.
I mean, it still has a lot more room to go, but I'm not being greedy.
But maybe New York will push it for you.
Yeah, but it's a runner, man. It can do whatever it does. I kind of want to try a nudge entry and get 100 pips, but I'll take 50.
You could probably leave this position running for the week in case it breaks the resistance.
Huh. Good point.
If you can see on the weekly now, the way we pulled back, it's amazing, man. We sort of rejected that 560 level again, and if we shoot up to 155 in the next month,
No, I'm pretty sure I might get stopped out though. The top of that consolidation, it might bounce back down, grab more orders, and continue up. But
yeah, probably. I think if you got in it where Luke called out the trade from down there, that's a great position to hold for the whole week.
Yeah, I just didn't. It didn't really fit my trading style, so I had to wait a little bit.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Thought some funny stuff was gonna happen once it touched 930, like another wick down before moving up. You know, that fake move. But played out. So good night.
Good night, man. Good
Two
sleep.
trades, right?
Night, man.
Yes. I'm
No,
thinking.
it's a good night. I'm
Oh,
saying.
I thought you were gonna go to sleep.
You got work today?
In about 3 hours. Yeah.
Did you have any sleep today at all or not?
I think I did like 2 hours when I got off, around like 5 to like 7.
Do you have like do you sleep other times of the day as well, or just at night?
No, I'll get off, maybe sleep for like 2-3 hours,
Yeah.
and then wake up, go about my day, and trade London with you boys.
Wow. That's like Da Vinci and Tesla used to do. They used to sleep like 2 hours a day, but for the long period of time, and they used to do a lot done on the day.
You know where I got that from though? Arnold Schwarzenegger. I was listening to his speech like maybe like 2 years ago. He was like, a lion only needs 4 hours of sleep and it spends the whole day hunting. And after that, I swear, like, because I used to trade every session, I'm not even gonna lie, until I figured out like just pick one. Once I joined Rogers Group back in 2019. But yeah, I'd seen Arnold Schwarzenegger make a speech about that. Like 4 hours of sleep is all you need.
Yeah, that's nice, man. That's a dedication, to be honest, to do that.
Got to, bro. Got to.
Well done, man. Honestly, people need to take that into consideration. If you want to reach your goals, just, man, you got to do whatever you have to do, man. Trade 2 sessions, go to work, do the same thing over and over again until you reach that target.
Got some guy over here promoting some Bitcoin scam.
Oh, remove him straight away.
I am.
Block him out the window.
You know what I hate seeing on Instagram these days? It's like these people are like, hey, I never had faith in trading, but luckily I started trading with so and so person. Yeah. Somehow I was like, bro, come on now.
Yeah.
And you go on their page, like somebody holding up a phone, like fully zoomed out with no like a chart, and you're like, what the hell is going on here, bro? Like, obviously fake.
I mean, how do people have the time for that, man? Like, do you know what I mean? It just seems so tedious.
Well, they need money, you know, so they need money. So they
work hard. Like, look, like Nick is working like what 22 hours of the day, right? You're working your ass off. Like, we're all doing our own like little things. Yeah. My God. You know, if
you
you're
go do what you have
like,
to do.
I see, but these guys are so creative with their like little things. Like, use it, channel it through a proper trading and like, you know, like hustling way rather than to like, you know, scam people or like, I don't know. You have to give it to them, and they're so creative, so creative.
Yeah, but that stuff's fully automated though. Like they create a bot to just blast comments, you know. So
yeah, really annoying.
It takes time and effort though.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day right over here. There's nothing left to take a trade on.
Me too.
Likewise.
Likewise, I'm gonna call it a stream as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. See what we can do tomorrow.
Great session, guys. Thank you very
Cheers,
much.
man.
Thank you, guys.
See you later.
See you tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.
Yes.
Thank
Till
you for the
tomorrow,
stream.
guys.
Take care.
Yes, take care, guys. Bye bye.